So now that you're here, let me show you this item. Do you see this smartwatch? I sell an average of 120 pieces on a monthly basis, and this gives me an average of 700K monthly. But before I share to you how I get started with all of this and making this kind of huge profit, let me tell you some things about me. Some years ago, it got to a point whereby I can't pay my children's school fees. I actually have 3 children, and it got to a point that I couldn't pay any of them school fees, that things were that bad, that we couldn't eat the way we really want to eat. And things were that rough that it was someone that came to my rescue that actually helped me to pay my children's school fees that period. Guess what? For 2 terms, second term and third term, someone helped me pay for them. And I have to pay back later when I started making some money. Now, it was very shameful and very humiliating and so much psychological trauma that, see, I couldn't just do anything. It hurt me so bad. And until I got started in this e-commerce business and some other business that actually showed me the way that I was able to get all of these things sorted out, and I was able to overcome my financial challenges. Let me show you one or two things that actually happened to me that I was able to pay my children school fees. Let me show you one or two things. I'll show you one or two things so that you can see how you can get started without any more challenge. This is what I did that helped me selling e-commerce, not just this smart wristwatch. I sell so many items. Let me show you what happened. Now, this smartwatch, what happened is that I sell it for 15,000 naira, but I buy it for 2,700 naira. That is crazy profit above 10,000 naira. But this is what happens. I don't buy the whole 120 pieces and keep and start selling. No. I was able to locate a major big time importer in Nigeria, and I go there, I pick from him one by one. Somebody place an order, I go, I buy one, and I go. As a matter of fact, I don't go there myself. I have a delivery company. Even these major importers, they have their delivery companies. So all I do is I do an advert online on social media, Facebook, Instagram, using different social internet means. I do this advert. People see it and they place an order. I just send the delivery man. I send the money to the importer. He pick one and he goes and deliver and he send the money back to me. Now this is what happened to show you how I make more than 700K on average, 700K every month. This is what happened. For each one I do, see, I sell it for 15,000 naira. Let me show you. For 15,000, I sell each one, and I buy it for 2007. Now, if you do that, if you do this, I will give you like a lot of you see the kind of profit I make on each and every one of them. Now, so this is what happens. For each one, he goes. You say we buy it for 2007 and you sell it for 15,000 naira. Now this is it. The delivery man removes his delivery fee, 2,500 naira. I buy it for 2007. So if you do the maths, buy it for 2007. I spend like 1,000 naira for advert on the internet. So if you do 2007 plus 2005 plus 1,000, you give like this 5,002, like 6,200 naira. Expenses, that's what I spend on expenses. Guess what? The only money I actually spend, don't forget, is only to buy this product, 2007, and money for advert, 1,000 naira, which is maximum I spend for advert to get to one customer that buys. So if you look at it, the actual money I need, like even that you need to start it, like 3,700 naira. That's if you want to go my route, whereby you buy from major importer. You understand what I'm saying? You buy from major importer. So I buy this product, 2007, I do advert, it cost me like 1,000 naira to get a customer with like 3,007. And the delivery person is until he goes to deliver to the buyer before he now removes his own and send me my own. So I'm just trying to do the total expenses I incur. I incur in this whole business, try to see my profit. So when you look at 2007, you look at 2005, 1,000, this 3, so like 6,002. When you do 15,000 minus 6,002, sorry, I'm trying to do it on my phone. 15,000 minus 6,002. Oh, what's my phone giving me? 6,002. It gives me 8,800. So I'm making an average of 8,800 on each and every one of these. 8,800. 8,800. If you do that times 120, so I make a pure profit of 8,800 on each of them. If you do that times 1,002, sorry, 1,002 pieces I sell, sorry, or 120 pieces, sorry, times 120 pieces. 8,800 times 120 pieces. So I make a profit like 1,056,000. 1,056,000 is what I make from this whole thing. 1 million, I'm using my calculator, 56,000. I make an average after expenses everything. Guess what the business has to do with 3,700. Now, this is not only for this smart rich watch. I said things like blender, I said things like shoes, I said different items. You can do the same. I want to show you, I want to break it down, show you how you can get started and do it. I want to hold you by the hand and break it down in detail. So order, click learn more, and I will explain to you. I'll take you through the training in the next 30 minutes maximum. I'll explain everything for you and you'll get started. So let me see you there. Just click it now. Just go and click it. I'm there already. The training is there already. You just watch it now. Just give it 30 minutes maximum and you watch everything and you get started today. And this school fees issue and this SACPA issue, this financial issue will be all over. Just go ahead, click it. Let's go. Let's go. Come.